Take these two screws out, use a 7mm socket. Remove the bezel, just slide it out and slide it up. There's a couple of feet on the bottom. Remove these two screws on top, use a Phillips head screwdriver. Some people bend this bezel out and replace the bulb, but the better thing to do is to take these two screws out as well. As you take the last one out, just hold the headlight from falling. Slide the bezel off. Take the bezel. Line the bezel up. There is a difference between the top and the bottom. If the holes don't line up, then probably have it upside down. And get the screws started. Get all the screws started before you tighten them down. All right, now that we got them all started, just snug them down. And I'll line this bezel up. It's down below. That's good. And get the top two bolts in. And snug these down, not too tight.